On this short trip, I drove through Brooklyn, Kansas City, and Pittsburgh. Who knew all these places were in Washington and Oregon? Just spots on the map, really. But yeah, I took this shortcut through the coastal range between Centralia and Raymond. What a beautiful drive. A lot of dirt road, though. Then it was on to Long Beach for the Kite Festival. I'm thankful for my brother and sister-in-law who went the day before and gave me the idea to stop in there. Finally, we arrived at Cape Disappointment where I would get to spend the night. But guess what? There's no cell service there whatsoever. Thank goodness T-Mobile lets me communicate via satellite. Thought of a coworker who used to drive these boats prior to becoming a truck driver at Boeing. After Cape Disappointment, it was time to move on to Vernonia, Oregon. I had a good time in Vernonia, but I didn't take very many pictures, so this is about all you get to see of Vernonia. Then it was on to Brooks, Oregon for the big truck show, and it was super hot, over 100 degrees, but I stuck it out even without air conditioning. I had an electric hookup site, but they wouldn't allow you to run your air conditioner because it was only a 15 amp circuit and it would crash the electrical grid. So thankful for the little DJI drone that my brother-in-law bought me as a gift many years ago. I've flown it for many hours, made a lot of videos with it, and it still performs amazingly well. I love seeing this truck glow show from the air. finally some video from just down on the ground. My favorite color has always been chrome. I love all the lights. In this beautiful horse right behind my camper.